I'm Megan Piggott.
I'm Noah Dermody, and this is Salty Jobs.
Hi everyone, I'm Megan Piggott.
And I'm Noah Dermody.
And we just arrived at Gillen Yacht Services.
Gillen is a full-service repair, refit, and maintenance company that's been in operation for over 30 years.
We're jumping in on an ongoing project they have here at the shop and at a local shipyard on a boat. Noah, it's your first day on the job and first impressions are everything. I don't think we should be late.
Let's go. I'm here with Ralph, who is the general manager here at Gillen Yacht Services. Ralph, what project are we working on today?
So today we're replacing the ventilation system for the engine room in a mega yacht. We were replacing the fan motor, the housing, the fan blades, fire damper, and we're installing a new moisture eliminator. You're going to be painting the moisture eliminator today.
And can you please explain just a little bit of what the moisture eliminator does for the boat?
So we'll install a moisture eliminator in the boat to pull any water out of the air before it enters the engine room. The air flows over the miniature airplane wing, the moisture will drop out of the air and fall out of the bottom of the box.
I hope I don't get paint on my new shirt.
You won't get paint on your shirt. We have a suit for you to wear.
Perfect, let's go. I got suited up so I could jump in and help Pedro, who had already begun painting the moisture eliminator. He showed me the appropriate technique to apply an even coating of paint. Once complete, this piece is reinstalled on the outside of the boat, so the paint job needs to be done properly to make sure it matches the rest of the yacht.
While Noah finished up painting at the shop, I met the rest of the team at the boat at a local yard to see what they had for me. Chandler is one of the techs that is working on this project with Gillen. And Chandler, I know this is an ongoing project, but what is the job at hand today?
So today we are installing the fan blades on the motors that we've installed previously for the intake and exhaust. Right now, we are basically trying to center the fan blades by shimming the motor, and that's just moving it kind of back and forth to make sure the fan blades don't hit the housing, so you don't create any noise or vibrations that could interfere with everything.
And so shimming keeps everything quiet, and why is that so important for this process?
Yeah, so it's super important because this is the galley area. This is everybody, hangs around, this is where they're at, this is where they're in. And if you have any noise or anything like that, it's not gonna be a good time.
It's gonna interrupt the party happening.
Exactly.
And is working in this industry something you always wanted to do?
Yeah, absolutely. Since I was little, working with my hands is something I've always wanted to do. So I had a personal friend who worked for Gillen. He recommended the company to me, told me how great it was, told me how great the marine industry was. So many opportunities, so many different things, especially working with somewhere at Gillen, they do everything top to bottom. So it's really been an experience.
What were you doing prior to working in the industry?
So prior to this, I was a retail manager.
Okay, so you came into here with no experience and just been learning on the job?
Yeah, and that's what's been great. They're super willing to teach you.
And so you've been here for 4 months now?
4 months.
Well, that's 4 months longer than me, so I'm ready to learn from you and get to work.
Beautiful.
I tightened the bolts of the fan blades, then rotated it a few times to check that all of the blades were evenly spaced and didn't touch the housing that would lead to any vibrations. With a hammer, I shimmed up the housing to prepare for the vibration rings to be installed. As this all connects to the engine room, we discovered a small issue down there that had to be resolved by another tech first. Chandler was still able to show me where the rings would go and the role they played to eliminate any noise and humming sounds that could disturb the guests when they were on board and having a good time. With the short delay, we both agreed it was definitely time for lunch before finishing the job. We're jumping in on an ongoing project they have here at the shop and on a boat. Oh, sorry,
Today we're here with Ralph, who is the general manager here at Gillen Yacht Services. Okay, sorry.
Chandler's one of the techs at Gillen. Wait.